Alright guys, just sharing a simple little project I'm doing here. I'm making a woodpecker display for the garden. Right? I have a tree stump here. It's about 6 inches wide by I'd say about 3 feet tall, maybe even a little more. At any rate, that's my stump. Alright, and this is going to be a male woodpecker. On the other side over here, I'm going to be putting the female woodpecker, and I'll explain the difference as we go along. In the middle here, I'm going to put a circular hole. That will be the nest. And we're going to have a couple of baby woodpeckers hanging their heads out, waiting for their mother to bring them some food. So, this is the very, very crude first day. I just put this on. Just did it. Grabbed the camera, figured what the hell, before I go any further. So, just cut this out, and so it's going to have a lot of touch-ups, a lot of slight additions, and of course totally painted to match the exact colors that the birds are. Alright, so what I did was, the most important thing about a woodpecker obviously is the noise. Okay, the pecking noise is just incredible. Can be heard in some cases for a mile away. And so in order to get the noise, I have to use a steel rod here, a small steel rod, okay, and then inside the tree I put a big brass screw, and that rod is going to hit that brass screw, okay, and that's what's going to make my loud noise. Alright, and believe me, it's going to be loud. Without that screw in there, I tested it, and it was so dull, it was terrible. It was an insult to the woodpecker. So I had to do something, put that brass screw in there, and that was the ticket right there. It really was. So, we're pretty well set up here. Just going to give you a quick, very quick show on how it works. Okay, I got a weighted piece of rope here. You pull down on it and he moves. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, very simple. Couldn't be more simple. Okay, so you see it's dead center. Alright, let's get some noise out of this boy. Start out nice and slow, and then he gets into it. Not too shabby. I think it sounds pretty decent. Alright, and so again, don't judge it by how it looks now. It's ugly. It's nothing but a piece of wood, and if I didn't tell you it was a woodpecker, you might not even know, except for the tree. But it's going to be all painted up to exact colors, as I said. And the way you tell a female from a male in this woodpecker, the name slips me at the moment. I will post it at the bottom of this video. But the male has a little red stripe here on the bottom of his mouth. Some bird collectors call it his cigar, okay, or his mustache. And he has a little stripe there, and the female really looks exactly like the male, but does not have that stripe. There's no stripe there, okay? And that's how you tell them apart. It's not that easy, especially from a distance. But at any rate, just thought I'd tell you that little bit of information. And so that's how the female is going to look on the other side, the babies. And when it's all finished, I think it's going to be pretty darn decorative. It's going to take a lot more work. This was the easy part. This is just the initial getting it set up and ready to go. And right now I got it working with a simple pull rope. Okay, that's all there is to it. Just a simple pull rope. And the weight of this makes it go back. See? I let go and it goes back. Alright? Now, I might possibly rig it up to a whirligig propeller to make it work. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not, but for the time being, I'm in control. So, that's it, guys. Anybody familiar with these woodpeckers? By all means, you want to post some info about them, be my guest. And I'll be back when I have it all done. And that's going to be a little while. There's a lot to do, but when it's all done, I'll be back and show you the final results. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, appreciate it.